Bonjour, welcome to 3E. French A2.4. Health at the doctor's. Français A2.4. La santé chez le médecin. Modal verbs. Devoir, pouvoir, vouloir. Examples. Je dois aller chez le médecin. I must go to the doctor. Tu peux prendre ce médicament. You can take this medicine. Il veut se reposer. He wants to rest. Elle doit boire plus d'eau. She must drink more water. Nous pouvons appeler le médecin. We can call the doctor. Vous devez rester au lit. You must stay in bed. Ils veulent acheter des médicaments. They want to buy some medicine. Elles peuvent rentrer maintenant. They can go home now. Explanation. Modal verbs are used to express obligation, possibility, and intention. Devoir, must or have to, used for obligation or giving strong advice. Pouvoir, can, or to be able to, used for possibility or ability. Vouloir, want, used for wishes or intentions. Conjugation. Devoir. Je dois, tu dois, il, elle doit, nous devons, vous devez, ils, elles doivent. Pouvoir. Je peux, tu peux, il, elle peut, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, ils, elles peuvent. Vouloir. Je veux, tu veux, il, elle veut, nous voulons, vous voulez, ils, elles veulent. They are always followed by an infinitive verb. See the following slide for spelling. Exercise. Expressions with il faut, it is necessary to, or you must, not directed at a specific person. Examples. Il faut aller chez le médecin. You must go to the doctor when you are sick. Il faut prendre ce médicament. You must take this medicine. Il faut se reposer. You must rest. Il faut boire beaucoup d'eau. You must drink a lot of water. Il faut rester au lit. You must stay in bed. Il faut appeler le médecin. You must call the doctor. Il faut manger sainement. You must eat healthily. Il faut dormir suffisamment. You must sleep enough. Explanation. Il faut means it is necessary or one must do something, used for giving general advice or obligation, not usually directed at a specific person. Structure. Il faut plus infinitive. Examples again. Il faut travailler. Il faut aller à l'école. Il faut dormir. Il faut manger. Il faut boire. Exercise. More about using modal verbs with other verbs. Examples. Je dois prendre rendez-vous. I must make an appointment. Tu peux remplir ce formulaire. You can fill in this form. Il veut voir le médecin. He wants to see the doctor. Elle doit éviter le sucre. She must avoid sugar. Nous pouvons attendre dans la salle d'attente. We can wait in the waiting room. Vous devez montrer votre carte. You must show your card. Ils veulent parler à l'infirmière. They want to speak to the nurse. Elles peuvent rentrer plus tard. They can go home later. Explanation. Infinitive structures are used after modal verbs. Structure is subject plus modal verb plus infinitive. Examples. Je dois prendre rendez-vous. Tu peux remplir un formulaire. Il veut voir le médecin. Reflexive verbs stay in the infinitive form. Il doit se reposer, se coucher, se sentir. This structure is very common in practical situations such as at the doctor's, at the pharmacy, in appointments, when giving advice. Exercise. The imperative, giving instructions, review. Examples: Prenez rendez-vous, make an appointment. Remplis ce formulaire, fill in this form. Attendez ici, wait here. Montrez votre carte, show your card. Va à la pharmacie, go to the pharmacy. Prenons un taxi, let's take a taxi. Appelez l'infirmière, call the nurse. Évitez le sucre, avoid sugar. Explanation. The imperative is used to give instructions, advice, commands. Forms are tu, nous, vous. Structure. Verb without the subject pronoun. Tu remplis, remplis. Vous attendez, attendez. Nous prenons, prenons. This form is very common in everyday situations, like we mentioned before. Exercise.